Hey guys, selamat datang di vlog Yakfil. Hari ini kita bakal main sepuasnya.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger.
Ini namanya Taman Bertopang. Ini adalah gunungan tempat bermandian Putro.
Other seats, set your aim a little higher. We're gonna go there. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going higher, higher, going up, going out, going all the way. Going higher, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going higher. We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going higher, higher, going up, going out, going all the way. Going higher, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going higher.
Ya. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe teman-teman. Bye. Sudah mama cantik. Sudah mama cantik. Dan